Yo guys, look at this. Ryan Pineda is using my editing packs in his short form content. That is fucking crazy. And if you guys are wondering why is this such a big deal or who the hell even is this guy? Well, Ryan Pineda is very well known in real estate. He does millions and millions. It says right here he has $100 million plus in real estate investments. So for this guy, the type of quality that he pumps out, for him to let his editor use my editing packs really just says a lot. And so I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how he created these effects and how you can create these effects in just seconds. So without further ado, let's get straight in this video. So this is the video that Ryan Pineda's editor created. His name is Spencer. Shout out to Spencer. This boy is a beast and I am super proud of this man. It's crazy the amount of content he pumps out every single week. I know he's a busy man, so he did a banger ass job doing this. And then here is mine. If you guys stick all the way throughout the entire video, this is exactly what you're gonna learn. I changed it up a little bit. I did kind of my own, but I took all the animations that he used and took his kind of style and kind of made it into my own, just mixed it up a little bit. And this is what I came up with. This is all these effects. It took me longer to stack these. It took me longer to stack all of these words on top of each other than to actually do the effects, which is fucking hilarious. So we'll first start off by doing the hook, and this is the hook that he started with. You can see that there's slides up. The best at is very bold, with the other captions are just kind of small, and then the organization is pretty big. So the way I did it is I looked at it, kind of tilted it towards mine. I did the exact same thing. You can see the best is extremely bold. The at something in your is small, and then the organization is nice, but it also, there is a flicker like he did. So I basically just kind of copied it, but I made it into my own twist. And at the second part, you can see there's like kind of like a little bit of difference. I used the glow that he did, just like so. Like him, he did a slide up and he used the glow. I liked that, so I took that into consideration, and this is exactly what I did. And the way I did this is so fucking simple, man. It's so easy to do. So majority of the time when you are doing these typography hooks and everything, the most of your time is going to be spent wasting just bringing these up here just like so. So I just want to bring these and dragging this to the right. So this is gonna be our big time spender. It's just all the, like the little stupid manual work that you have to do, but that is just exactly what we're looking for. And then like change this best. So I'm just gonna come in here, change the best to black to make it big. And if you're wondering what font I'm using, it's Monothreat. He actually used the exact same font. So I recognize it at something your, and then organization also is going to be black. So let's put that on black. And now here's the biggest time spender. It's not even the animations that we're gonna spend a shit ton of time with, because it's, like I said, it's an easy, simple drag and drop solution. That's why his editor is using my packs, because it's so fucking easy and simple. If you guys are not fucking using these, I don't know what you're doing. I can't help you, Ryan can't help you, no one can help you. But this is what I did. I came into here, I looked at how to do this. I just made this text bigger, and then I ran over here, positioned it a little bit, went and saw how the zoom was and everything, and then brought these downwards just like so. Like this, again, is this gonna be your biggest time waster? Because look at this. Now I'm trying to figure out, okay, now I gotta make this a little bigger to make it a little better. Bring this to the left, and then I'm going to move this like also to the left, because it needs to be right like there to make it look a little better. And now I have to figure out, I have to copy these. So this 462, I'll just copy this, come over to something, go into something, and then copy and paste that. Bring this to the left to make sure it looks good. I'll also do that with your really quick, just like so. And again, this is gonna just be our biggest time waster. And now that looks pretty good. I wanna change this O to capitalization, maybe up this size just a little bit, bring this down. And now our positioning is done, and now look how fucking easy and simple this is. This is gonna blow your guys' mind. Look at this. I'm gonna search up the one that he exactly used, which is the text and, text slide. I can't even spell it. Right here, the text reveal slide up with flicker. That's all he did. He fucking grabbed this, he plopped it on, and then boom, it's already done. Just like so. It looks like the flicker's a little too harsh, and this is what I like to do sometimes when the flicker is too harsh, because the flicker is made for like a larger or longer type of layer, so that's why it's kind of weird. And every single time to avoid that problem is to essentially just drag this out to like the left and make it come in a little sooner. So now not just the flicker will look smoother, but also the slide up will look a lot smoother. So here's what it looks like now.
Something your organization.
See, that just looks 20 times better. Just by doing that subtle adjustment, you can get a way better result. Not any preset is absolutely perfect, but these are damn close, man. And then we can just come into here, come to effects controls, move this downwards just because it's a slide up. So you make sure you have to move it down. And now we have this. Perfect, the organization is done. And way to get all the other ones to slide up, because if I come over here to this one, you can see that these all slide up too. And it's basically kind of the same thing, but with just out the flicker. Just highlight all of these, come over here to text reveal, slide up. There's a ton of them. I have different ones just because it depends on the length and everything, but I can just grab, let's just say slide up right here. Let's see this. That looks pretty good, or V4 might be looking good. See, that comes a little fast. I don't want that. Maybe V3 will be a little slower. Yeah, I like that a lot better. So I'm just gonna do that. And you're probably wondering like, why are these so high? That's pretty easy and simple to figure out. Because it's a slide in up, obviously it's gonna go a little higher than you already positioned it, because that's how they work. All you have to do is nest it. I'm just gonna hit 6, that's mine, to nest it, and then just bring it down with the effects controls, man. It's that easy, that simple. And now we have a hook done in what, like, it took us longer to align them than actually to do the animations. Like, that's fucking stupid. Boom, that's sick. Now the next part of the hook was basically just having the words pop in just like so. So we'll just kind of use this reference. It just pop in, there's nothing like to it, but I'm thinking we should change that up a little bit. So let's just look, like, let's mess around with this shit a little bit. I'm thinking about adding something, a little something. I'm gonna nest these all by just highlighting them all. If I can come in here, highlight every single one of these, nest it, come into here. Now, if like, obviously if I grab this, all the words will show and all of them will move. So if I come into, let's say I wanna slide in up. Let's just grab that.
Don't give it up.
That's pretty dope. Also, maybe a slide in up outright. So maybe it comes in up and then outright. That's pretty cool, but it's not what I'm really looking for. I'm looking for something in text animation. So I'm gonna go with text animations. I'm thinking going here, maybe even a text reveal slide in up, just like so.
Don't give it up.
That's kind of what his looks like. Or we can do some kind of, let's say, fade in possibly.
Don't give.
I kind of like that. Or we can do some kind of text reveal with slide up flicker.
Don't give it up.
Yo, that was actually fire. I really like that. So let's just bring this down a little bit because it's too little high.
Don't give it up. Right.
That's dope.
Don't give it up, right?
And so for the second part of all of his animations, his editor did it kind of like this, where it just pops in, it comes in kind of at random, so you're kind of guessing. I really like that style, so I didn't obviously copy him because I don't want to copy him. I took inspiration from it and made my own, which I took kind of like the inspiration from the hook and kept going with that style, and this is what I came up with.
What's a higher value task than you doing the deals right now? And if you don't.
So for the blurs he used, I used 2 because I want to kind of do that type of style. You can see right here, there's blurs. All you can do to do that is just highlight these, search up, fade in, or go to the text animations. I just search them up because it's a lot faster. Grab either one of the fades, they're all banger, but I'm just gonna grab the V3 because that's the most updated and recently one I made. And then boom, it has some super clean fades that I absolutely love. And then let's say I wanted to fade out. I just want these all fade out. So I'm just gonna nest them, because in order to do that, you have to nest each single one because it transitions with the opacity. It's just some complicated shit. Nest these all, and now you can see they still have the fade ins. Now highlight them all again, and then grab like the fade out. So now they'll fade in and out, so watch.
Then you doing the deals right now.
Yo, that was fucking clean. That was clean. Let's actually do that to all of these too. Really quick, just nest them and then highlight them all. Once again, fade out. And now this is what it looks like fully.
Then you doing the deals right now. And if you don't.
Yeah, that's actually pretty sick. These come in a little too late. or a little too early, and that's fine. All I have to do is just come in here and just like grab these a little bit, just like so. Just gonna come in and like do it. See what it looks like now.
Doing the deals right now. And if you don't have any,
that comes in a little too fast again, like right here.
right now. And if you don't have the deals right now. And if you,
Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now, because we have all the animations done, let's cook up with some sound design. I just came into my hooks pack because the sounds are already completely like done, like all of them have perfect decibels or anything. So I just came into my hooks. I found the riser that I always love to do. I found the flash that I love to do because every single time I do a video, there's always some kind of transition with flash. So I just came in here, I took the riser, I took the whoosh also because there's a zoom, and the flash. Just drag and drop it over here just like so. And then it sounds exactly like this.
best at something, you're
Looks perfectly done, easy, just like that, boy. And that's just 2 or 3% of what these editing packs can do. So if you're wondering, where can I get these, Torsten? Please help me. Well, I got you. You can go down in the link in the description, go grab the short form editing bundle. It'll give you all these editing packs, all of these already pre-made hooks. So you can just like see, I can come in here. They're already pre-made for you. All you would have to do is come into here. Let's say I wanted this one, or let's say I wanted maybe this one for my footage, or we can see this one for my footage, or maybe even this one. Any of them looks absolutely beautiful. I'll pop up some examples of what I do each and every single time and how I use them for my own content. You just come in here, drag and drop it onto this layer. So let's just say I didn't even fucking want this hook. Like, screw his hook. I don't like it. It's buns. I just align it just like so. Get rid of my zoom. So just do this. And then it looks like this.
something, your organization.
Like, yo, what the fuck? Dude, that's freaking goated. What the shit? I didn't even realize my packs were this good. Like I said, go down in the link in the description, grab the bundle. It gives you not just these, but a ton of presets, the text and logo animations. You get these hooks and the retention timelines, and also all my sound effects, each and every single thing you need for short form editing content to go crazy like me, Ryan, and all these other creators. Grab this pack, it'll help you tremendously. And if you wanna learn exactly how I use these hooks to create my reels in less than like 3 minutes, go click this video right over here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.